In this video, we are going to discuss about how to find the loop phasor current I1 and I2 in the circuit. So this is a given circuit. So in this given circuit, I'm going to redraw the circuit. So how to redraw this? First I'm going to draw the supply, which is a voltage, and it is J2, right? So here in the point, I have to draw a minus plus. Okay. Then here also I have a point, right? So therefore I have to draw it like this. So first I have to draw the plus, then I have to draw the minus, then J3. Okay. So in the dependent source I have to write J4. So here you can see the current here is this is I1, and here the current flowing through this one is I2. So uh, if we see the current flowing through J2 is I1 minus I2, right? And the current is leaving, right? Leaving this dot. Therefore, since the current flowing to the current I1 Ji2 is I1 minus I2. So here I should not write I1 minus I2. So I have to write it as minus J for I1 minus I2. So here you can see the current I2 is entering the J3. So the dot, you can see that on the dot the I2 is entering. So I have to write J4 I2. Okay. So I hope you have understood this one, right? So first I am going to so in the diagram it is wrong. Okay, so first for the mesh loop current I can write it as 5J90, that is equal to 2J I1 minus I2 minus J4 I2, right? On solving the first mesh loop, right? So further simplifying this, 590 degree I can write it as 5J, that is equal to J2 I1 minus J2 I2 minus J4 I2. So J I can cancel out. So 5 is equal to 2 I1 minus 6 I2. So this is my first equation. Next, from the second loop, I can take this one as since this is wrong. Okay, so I can write it as 4J I2 minus I1, that is equal to 2J I1 minus I2 minus 4J I2 minus 3J I2. So I'm solving JJ cancelled out, and 4I2 minus 4I1 is equal to 2I1 minus 2I2 minus 4I2 minus 3I2. So on solving, I will get the answer as 4I2 minus 6I1 plus 2I2 plus 4I2 plus 3I2 is equal to 0. So I can write it as 13I2 is equal to 6I1. So I2 is equal to 6 divided by 13 I1. So you substitute this I2 value in the first equation. So you get 5 is equal to 2I1 minus 6 into 6 divided by 13 I1. So you will get the values of our I1, right? So what was the answer? So the answer is 2I1 minus 36 divided by 13 is 2.786. So that is equal to minus 0.76 I1. So my I1 is equal to 5 divided by minus 5 divided by 0.769, that is equal to minus 6.5. So if you substitute in the I2 equation, you will get minus 6 into 6.5 divided by 13. So the answer is minus 3. So there is nothing but 6.5 on 80 degree and minus 3 on 80 degree. So let us discuss the second problem. So this is my second problem. They are given the values, right? So again I can draw like this, like this. So the dot you have to draw the minus. Here also I have to draw the minus. So this has a dependent source and J2 is a value. So you have to write J2, J2. And the current flowing through this J6 is nothing but I1 minus I2. So the current is entering. Therefore, you have to write it, right? So this is I1 minus I2 and the current is entering. So I can write it as I1 minus I2. So at this point, I2 is leaving. So therefore, you have to write it as minus J2 I2. Right? Why? Because the current is leaving. So after drawing the circuit like this, I can frame the mesh loop for the circuit. So 100 is equal to 4I1 minus 3JI1 minus 2JI2 plus 6JI1 minus I2. Right? So on solving, you will get 100 is equal to 4I1 plus 3JI1 minus 8JI2. So that is equal to 4 plus 3JI1 minus 8JI2. Okay. So on solving for the second equation, that is mesh loop 2, minus AI2 is equal to JI2 I8 minus JI2 I1 minus I2 plus 5I2 plus 6J I2 minus I. Okay. So on solving, I will get minus 10JI2 is equal to minus J2I1 plus 2JI2 plus 5I2 plus 6JI2 minus 6JI1. So on solving, I will get minus 8JI1 plus 16JI2 plus 5JI2 is equal to 0. So therefore, I2 is equal to 8JI1 divided by 5 plus 18J. So this is my third equation and this is the second equation. If I substitute the third equation in the second equation, so I will get 100 is equal to 4 plus 3J I1 minus 8J into 8J I1 divided by 5 plus 18J. So if we cross multiply this one and if we multiply, you will get 64 I1 divided by 518J. So 518J into 100, you will get 500 plus 1800J. That is equal to 5. Multiply these two factors, you will get minus 34 plus 87J I1 plus 64 I1. So therefore, I1 is equal to 500 plus 1800 I divided by 30 plus 87 I. So if we convert this rectangular form into polar form, so you will get 186 this value, right? This is nothing but 1868 divided by 92. So you will get 20.3, angle is 3.5. So if you substitute in the above equation of I2, where I2 is equal to 8J I1 divided by 5 plus 18J. So if you multiply with 20.3, there is a I1 value, right? So if you multiply and solve this equation, we'll get the answer for the I2. Right? So this is nothing but 162.4 angle 93.5 divided by 18.68 angle 74.48. So that is equal to 8.69. 19.02 is your rank. The next problem is determine the Z. Next one is determine the Z at the voltages. So here you have to find the value of Z. So this is my circuit. So here you have a dot, this one. So you have to write minus and minus cap, and near to the above the J5. So you have dot, and below the J5 you have dot. So you have to write minus, minus. And J2, I am having a essential pattern, so I have to write J2 here. So here the I1 is leaving, so I have to write minus I1 here. So here the I2 is entering, so I have to write I2 here. So after that you have to form the mesh equation. Since the current is flowing in this direction, right, I1, so I can write 100 is equal to 4 plus J5, J 5 into I1 minus 2J I2. So this is my first equation. And since the current is flowing like this, I2 current, so I can write minus J 2 I1, that is equal to, since it is opposite direction, so minus of, so minus I am taking it as common, 4 plus J 2J minus J, and here also you can see it is plus 5J. Okay, so all are minus values, so I am taking it as minus common outside. So on solving J and equating the minus term, I will get J2 I1 is equal to, and the minus term I cancelled it out. I will get 4 I2 plus 6 plus 6J I2. Okay, so J2 I1 minus 4 plus 6J I2 is equal to 0. So therefore I'll get I1 is equal to 4 plus 6J divided by 2J into I2. So that is equal to minus 2J plus 3 into I2. So you substitute this third equation in the first equation. So you'll get 100 is equal to 4 plus 5J into I1. You have to substitute as 3 minus 2J I2 minus 2J I2. So you will get 100 is equal to 12 plus 15J minus 8J plus 10 into I2 minus 2J I2. So that is equal to 22 plus 7J minus 2J into I2. So I2 is equal to 100 divided by 22 plus 5J. So that is equal to 100 divided by 22.56, angle is 12.8, that is equal to 4.43, angle becomes minus 12.8. So the I1, if we substitute this I2 value in the, so this is my fourth equation, right? So you substitute the fourth equation in the third equation, you will get I1 value. So I1 is equal to 3 minus 2J into 100 divided by 22 plus 5J. So you will get 300 minus 200J divided by 22.56, angle is 12.8. That is equal to 360 divided by 22.56. So the angle becomes minus 4.46.5. So on solving, I will get I1 is equal to 15.95, angle is minus 46.5. So in order to obtain the Z is equal to V divided by I, that is equal to 100 divided by 15.95. So angle is minus 46.5. That is equal to 6.26, angle is 46.5. So on solving, you will get it convert to a polar form to rectangular form. So Z is equal to 4.3 plus 4.5 J. So that's all about the video. Thank you.